Welcome to Hot Wheels and Matchbox Wednesday. Trucks and SUVs. Let's do this. Here we have 2018 Jeep Wrangler GL Rubicon in pearl white. Here we have Mazda Repo, made by Hot Wheels in grey color. Here comes 1968 Dodge D200 in black color. For 1:64, this truck looks amazing and looks pretty big as well. Made by Matchbox. Jurassic Park Edition Jeep Wrangler Roll Bar by Matchbox. Next is Hummer H2 SUV concept by Matchbox Coastal Rescue. Ford Ranger Raptor. The graphics are spectacular on this truck. Here comes one of my favorite 2019 Jeep Renegade by Matchbox City. This comes in green lime color. Matchbox Special Edition on 75th anniversary of Mattel. Here comes Ford F350 Super Duty. Finally, we have 2003 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6 by Matchbox Superfast. Matchbox has created this truck with great details. This truck looks amazing in metallic blue color. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel Speedy Dude. And don't forget to click on the bell icon for the latest updates.